for this Kaziti Mpunguti. They're all in, and they're running, and War Secret left slightly along with Istanbul, but out in front it is Selfie. Selfie right out in front, and tracking behind Selfie is Ming Dynasty. Arkansas tucked up, coming down the center of the track now. But it is Selfie. Selfie, and on the far outside, Istanbul going quite nicely too. So right now, as they settle down, it is Selfie, and going on the far side is Crumb Cake. It is Crumb Cake and Selfie now, and Ming Dynasty. War Secret just out of this race totally. But it is easily going now. It's going to be Ming Dynasty. Ming Dynasty going for the line here. Ming Dynasty from a very good coming on Crumb Cake, and then from Crumb Cake is going to be a tight finish here. But it's Ming Dynasty who's going to win this one pretty comfortably. Ming Dynasty the winner. Crumb Cake gets second. Horse number 5 gets third, which was Istanbul, and that's the way they finish. Selfie gets 5th, and War Secret last of all. So the winner quite comfortably, another double for trainer Osnesmus Matura, F. Magai, Ming Dynasty, very, very impressive. Arkansas gets in there, Crumb Cake gets in there to get second. As predicted, Ming Dynasty, the favorite, most probably left it at odds on, does the job here. A very simple, easy winner here, Mark. Again, we talked earlier on, I'm expecting to talk to you quite a lot today. Ming Dynasty coming on, running on, so a good chance for later on when we start to put these youngsters around the bend. I think my trainer last weekend put him on the 1400 just to see how he could go around the bend. This week he really improved because he really showed that race really opened him up, woke him up. So as I jumped out of the 900, it was a breeze. Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's a race that always produces a horse that's got the speed, and by doing that 1400, coming back to this race, I mean, the bookies gave no money away today, so well done.
Thanks for that.
Onesimus, you've done this quite often, we notice, run a horse over the 7 and then bring it back down the straight, and it's like a bit of fast work, because the 1400 is also a sprint. So when they come back down to the straight, they find it pretty simple and easy, less stressful, and a really good way to train a horse.
Yeah, it's true. But let's say it's a big horse, and I thought they are going to be 1, 4, 3, because they are working very well. So let's see on the 14 is going to race on the Nakulu Championship, and then we see.
You're going to have a nice time there. Enjoy that very much. The result of the Kaziti Mpunguti Marine National Park Maiden. The winner, horse number 1, Ming Dynasty. Second, number 3, Crumb Cake. Third, number 5, Istanbul. Second, number 2, Arkansas. And in 5th spot, number 4, Selfie. In 4th spot, rather, number 2, Arkansas.